Welcome to this journey through artificial intelligence, deep learning, and data engineering. In Section 1, we begin with the basics of artificial intelligence. AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks like learning, reasoning, and solving problems. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is everywhere in our modern world. Moving to Section 2, we explore deep learning, a powerful branch of AI that uses multi-layered neural networks. With the help of frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, deep learning models can analyze complex data patterns and make accurate predictions. Section 3 introduces data engineering. This is the backbone of any AI system. Data engineers design pipelines to collect, clean, and transform raw data into formats ready for analysis and machine learning. Tools like Apache Airflow and Spark are commonly used in this field. In Section 4, we dive into the structure of neural networks. These models consist of an input layer, one or more hidden layers, and an output layer. Each neuron in the network processes data using weighted connections and activation functions like ReLU or sigmoid. Section 5 explains the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, models learn from labeled data, for example, spam detection in emails. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, finds hidden patterns in unlabeled data, like customer segmentation. Next, in Section 6, we explore evaluation metrics. For classification models, we use accuracy, precision, recall, and the F1 score. For regression tasks, we rely on metrics like mean squared error and the R-squared score. In Section 7, we discuss the model training process. This includes data pre-processing, splitting datasets, selecting model architectures, training, validating, and testing. It's a crucial cycle that helps ensure your model performs well in real-world scenarios. Section 8 is all about cloud and MLOps. Tools like AWS SageMaker, Google AI Platform, and Azure ML allow for scalable AI development. MLOps practices ensure continuous integration, model deployment, and monitoring are streamlined and efficient. In Section 9, we look at real-world AI applications. From analyzing sentiments on social media to classifying medical images and building customer service chatbots, AI is already transforming industries worldwide. Finally, in Section 10, we wrap up with a summary and next steps. To grow as an AI or data professional, keep experimenting with hands-on projects, explore open-source tools, and join platforms like Kaggle to test your skills. Thank you for joining this crash course in AI, deep learning, and data engineering. Keep exploring, keep building, and see you in the next video.